Hello everybody. Welcome to this session where you learn how to perform experiment 2 of Digital System Design Lab. The second experiment is realization of logic gates using NAND or NOR gates. NAND or NOR gates are called universal gates. So the main objective of this experiment is realize different logic gates using NAND and NOR gates. So before proceeding to do this experiment, you need to know how to convert any implementation, logic gate implementation or any Boolean expression implementation which are implemented using AND or NOT gates into either being implemented using only NAND or only NOR gates. So that procedure should be known to you. And you should also have a knowledge of what are the alternate symbols of various logic gates and some Boolean laws. And regarding this, you can have an understanding by clicking, further understanding by clicking on the link provided here. Along with all this, there are also some reference points provided here for you related to the NAND and NOR implementations. So here, we are going to proceed by implementing an OR gate using an AND gate. So here I have given an OR gate symbol and the truth table of that OR gate. So coming to the implementation, so now I need this OR gate expression using only NAND gates. So the circuit diagram for that would be like this. So how are we getting that expression? So the first NAND gate output is A bar, second is B bar, and the third NAND gate output would be A bar into B bar whole bar. So using De Morgan's laws, if you simplify that, then finally the expression is A plus B, which is nothing but your OR gate. So if you observe, we need a total of 3 NAND gates to implement an OR gate expression. The apparatus required to perform this experiment is you need a NAND gate IC to perform it. Then you need input switches and output LED. Along with that, you also need power supply, breadboard, and connecting wires. The procedure to perform the experiment is given here. Follow the procedure and please avoid any loose contacts. Once you connect the circuit, what should you verify? You have to verify whether the circuit you have connected is performing as an OR gate or not. So that means you need to verify this truth table of an OR gate. So you can find the experimental setup here, which we have done it on Tinkercad software. So we have taken a NAND gate IC here. So this is 7400 IC, which is a NAND gate IC. So in that IC, I have 4 NAND gates. So out of which, so I am using first NAND gate, the first 3 pins. Then I am using second NAND gate, the next 3 pins. And I am using the third NAND gate here. And the third NAND gate output, I am connecting it to the LED, which should give me the OR gate output. So this is the experimental setup. And now we will see how to perform this particular experiment in Tinkercad software. So this is the setup which I have already shown you. So now, as we always do, click on Start Simulation button. Now here, just look at the switch. The switch is upside down. So this is off side and this is on side. Now if you observe, all the switches are currently off. Since I am implementing an OR gate, a 2-input OR gate, I am using only 2 switches, 1 and 2. Okay. So now according to your OR gate truth table, if either of these inputs is high, then your LED should glow. So now let me make one of my input high. Now you can observe immediately the LED is glowing. If I make it low again, then the LED is switched off. Then the other input. Then both the inputs I am making it high. So you can observe if any one of the input is high, the output is high, which is nothing but my OR gate implementation. So once you have performed this particular experiment, you need to repeat the same procedure to implement different other gates also. So that would be your assignment. So what is the result of this? What have you learned? You have learned how to realize an OR gate using only NAND gates. In the same manner, the assignment for you is you need to implement all the other logic gates, that is AND, OR, NOT, XOR and XNOR gates, using either only NAND gates or only NOR gates. In this, we have already done this. OR gate using NAND gate is already done, so you need not repeat it again. But all the remaining things you have to do it as an assignment. And you can observe certain Viva questions which are provided here, which will be useful for this lab and also for your placement interviews in the near future. Thank you everyone for your patient listening. I hope this session will be useful for you for performing your experiment. Thank you.